Hey guys, it's Denix here again with Team Deberu, and in today's video we're gonna show you how to connect Volume Tracker with Gotzha affiliate network. But if you haven't joined our free Facebook group community, you can click the link below in the description for more advanced trainings teaching you how to make money online. So let's jump into the content. Hello to everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we're gonna connect Volume Tracker with Gotzha affiliate network. So here we are inside the Volume dashboard from Team Deberu, and first we're gonna create an affiliate network element, and after that we're gonna move to traffic source and then lender, offer, and in the end we're gonna create a campaign where we're gonna get all the tracking links and the pixel code we're gonna use within our ClickFunnels template, lender, and within our Facebook campaign. But first we're gonna import our affiliate network. So click here where says affiliate networks, and then on the button here where says new affiliate network. So you're gonna click here and then find where Gotzha is. So it's up here. Click it on and then click create, and you're gonna put the affiliate network name that you would like to put. I'm gonna put test number 1 for this tutorial, and then scroll down all the way and click save. So that's all you need to do. And for the affiliate networks, you do this step once, and then you can use the affiliate networks to create offers and lenders as many times as you would like to. So next step is gonna be traffic sources, which is up here, and here is the same. So you create your traffic sources one time and then you can use it as many times as you want to. But let's go from the beginning. So let's click new traffic source, and then up here you're gonna find where Facebook is. So it's up here, and then click load template and put the traffic source name. So in your case probably it's gonna be Facebook, but in my case it's gonna be test, probably number 2 or 3. Let's have a look. Yeah, it works. So we have created an affiliate network element, traffic source element, and the next step we're gonna create a lender using our ClickFunnels template. So let's jump to the lenders elements, which are up here, and we're gonna then go to ClickFunnels to grab the funnel URL. So you're gonna click on new lender. First, you're gonna choose your country tag. So country tag is from the offer. So if we go to Gotzha, which is up here, so this is the offer I have choose for today's video. So it's in Australia, and it is a Costco offer, single opt-in, a $500 gift card. So it is in Australia. We're gonna put for the country tag, we're gonna put Australia, like that, and then we're gonna put a unique name for the lender. So you can go by Costco, you can use ClickFunnels for the template that you know from where it's coming. Let's go ClickFunnels first, like that. All right, like that. And then we need to import the lender URL, which is from the ClickFunnels template. So let's go to ClickFunnels. So this is the template, actually the funnel, the lender that I have created for today's video. And this is the lender URL we need to copy and then go to Volume and paste it up here, like that. And that's all you need to do up here. So click save, and you have created your lender. So the next step is gonna be to create our offer. So we're gonna import the offer from the Gotzha affiliate network. So let's go to the offers elements and click new offer, create. So affiliate network is Gotzha. We just created test number 1. Global country tag is going to be Australia, and the unique name for the offer, so you can go Costco $500 gift card. All right, so it's Gotzha Australia Costco $500 gift card. The next thing, we need to import the affiliate link from the network. So let's go to the Gotzha affiliate network and let's grab our affiliate link, which is exactly this one here. So copy, let's go back to volume up here and paste it. And the next step we need to do here, we need to add the parameter for the conversion tracking, which is gonna always say where I'm showing you right now. So you need to add you need to add this parameter in the end of your affiliate link, like that. All right, so that's all for the offer. So click save. So right now we have created all the elements necessary to create the campaign, which is the last step here inside the volume. So let's do that up here. So click on campaigns and new campaign, click the simple one, and the first thing we need to choose is the traffic source, which is Facebook. So I can use any of these ones. Let's choose this one. A country tag, it's gonna be Australia, which is from the offer, right? And then we need to add the unique name for the campaign. So we have traffic, so it's Facebook Australia, and then you can go Costco $500 gift card, like that. All right, and then let's scroll down and we need to add our lender and our offer within the campaign. So click here on lenders and find the right one, which is Australia ClickFunnels Costco. And for the offer, do the same steps. It's Gotzha Australia Costco $500 gift card. All right, so that's all for the campaign creation. Click save, and the campaign has been successfully created. All right, so right now we have everything set up, and we have our tracking links just up here, and our tracking pixel we're gonna place on our ClickFunnels lender. So let's finish the ClickFunnels steps first, and then we're gonna move to the ads manager and create the Facebook campaign to show you where to place the direct tracking URL. So let's grab the direct tracking pixel. So copy up here, and let's move to ClickFunnels, and you're gonna go to settings, and just here where it says head tracking code, just below the Facebook pixel. So here you're supposed to have your Facebook pixel already installed, and just below the Facebook pixel paste the volume tracking code, like that. All right, and then scroll down and save and update settings. Alright, so that was the first step, and the second step, we need to copy the click URL, which is up here, and we're gonna paste it within the ClickFunnels lender. So click edit page, and then you're gonna click up here, edit survey options, outcomes, default outcome action, and where it says custom redirect, place the click URL. Click it back and always save, like that. All right, so our lender is now done. So the questions, the answers, the pixel code, and the click URL. So let's go back to the volume. So the last step we need to do is to create a Facebook campaign and use direct tracking URL to paste it within our campaign. So let's do that now. So Ads Manager. So before we go there, I can just show you the Costco offer landing page. So this is the offer landing page where your traffic will land and submit the sign up. So let's go back to Ads Manager. So here we are, we choose traffic objective, exactly how it is. And here you're gonna put your campaign name. So you can put Costco, and just before you go AO for Australia, Costco, and Facebook traffic. So we're gonna run Facebook newsfeed traffic only. So ad set name, you can put Costco females 18 to 65 plus. All right. So Australia, for the targeting, you can go Costco. The audience, it's gonna be 360, so it's not that much, but let's scroll down because the purpose of today's video is to show you where to place the tracking links. So edit placements, go by mobile, deselect everything except the Facebook newsfeed. All right, and let's go all the way down where we're gonna optimize for landing page views, like that. For daily budget, we go 3 times that payout. So the payout is 188 euros, 188 point multiply 3 times, it is 564. So you can put 564 like that. Set a date, which can be for tomorrow, 12/01, like that. All right, click continue. Here we are on the ad level within our campaign, and first we're gonna choose our name for this ad, which is ad set number 1. You can put, then you're gonna choose your Facebook page. This is just an example. Just choose that it's congruent with the offer itself, and then let's scroll down to the images. So let's upload a couple images I have created. These 2, open. All right, so images are here. So let's scroll down where it says website URL, and here we're gonna paste our tracking link from the volume. So let's go to the volume, and where it says direct tracking URL, you're gonna copy here go back to Ads Manager and paste it exactly like that. Alright, so that was the main thing to show you where to paste the tracking link, but let's finish the ad. Let's put the primary text. So I have here the ad copy. So this is the copy that goes up here like that, and then we have the headline, like that, and for the display link, so let's go Costco.com. So this is pretty much. So the main thing was here to show you where to paste the tracking URL from the volume, so code direct tracking URL. So we have done all the steps. So pixel is done, click URL is done, and direct tracking URL is done. And the last step we need to do is to actually paste our postback URL from the volume to the Gotzha affiliate network, that these two softwares can communicate between each other. So where we're gonna find our postback URL? So we're gonna go to offers and click on our offer. Let's just find it, which is up here, edit, and here below where it says postback URL. So this is the link that we need to paste within the Gotzha affiliate network. So let's copy and let's go to Gotzha, which is up here. So here we have two options to paste our postback URL. First one is the best one, is to send your postback URL to your affiliate manager, and he or she will actually import it within your account. So that's the best way, and that's what we suggest. The second way is that you actually click up here where it says testing and tracking, and you paste your postback URL every single time for every single offer. So that would be everything for today's video. So if you have any questions, like always, just type it below into the comment section. And if you would like to get any tools I have used in today's video, you can get the links below into the description. So thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, Volume, Adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.